Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, I'm going to share my experience about how I was able to order the Sony PlayStation 5 at Flipkart Flash Sale in my first attempt. I'm kind of proud about that actually in my first attempt. So the thing is, like, I was not looking for the PlayStation 5 initially, but I had some Flipkart vouchers which I can use only, for purchasing some items at Flipkart. So I had to order, I was kind of building my gaming setup. So I thought to order the PlayStation 5 and I kind of, played with this Flipkart flash sales, previously with the mobile phones and headphones. So I was, sure to implement the same thing, and I was so determined that I can secure one PlayStation 5 for myself. And I'm going to share some tips, the methods that I have actually followed and, I normally follow with you in this episode. So in the upcoming restock or the flash sale, you will be able to secure one PlayStation 5 for you as well. And in the previous times, whenever the flash sale happens for any smartphones or headphones, when I try to register it, when I click on the add to cart or buy now button, I will be so excited. Okay, the button is visible, so I'm able to I'm kind of getting it, and at the next page where I will be seeing the out of stock label. So that is really frustrating, and what I normally do is I simply wait on that page and I keep on refreshing that particular page, because I kind of figured out, or maybe I may not be sure, I'm kind of 50-50 on that Flipkart or Amazon, whenever this kind of restock happens, the number of items added to their inventory may immediately sold out. But whenever people fail to complete the payment within the particular time, within a few seconds or few minutes, then automatically it will be released and the inventory will be refilled. So that is why when I try to keep on refreshing that page, I immediately start to see that particular item, and then I proceed to fill out my payment details. Or most of the time in the flash sales, it is advisable to use the COD option. If you try to get any offers, the card offers or any net banking offers, you may lose that particular flash sale to someone. So don't try to do that mistake. If that item is so important to you and if you don't want to miss it, you have to sacrifice that discount. And in case of PlayStation 5, I don't have to explain it to you how precious it is. So the cash on delivery is the best option that you can try with, to immediately check out. And recently, while trying to book the PlayStation 5 just a couple of days before, one of my friend who was suggesting for 4 to 5 times was so frustrated, and he was kind of, okay, you give it a try and see whether you are able to get the PlayStation 5 or not. And he also suggested me extension. You probably know that the Flashcart plugin, I leave a link to that in the description. It works only on Chrome browser, so you can download and install it. It is safe, of course, because I have used it and so many people are using it for several months and years, I believe. So it is so far working excellent, and thanks to the developer at the same time, it automatically refreshes even at checkout page if there is no out of stock. So the second important tip is, make sure you turn on this plugin just 5 or 6 to 7 minutes before the flash sale actually starts. The moment it actually starts, it automatically, the timer is completely script based. So you don't have to refresh or do anything about it. So simply wait on that page, and once the product, the page changes from coming soon to add to cart and buy now, immediately it will take you to the checkout page when you have this plugin extension turned on. At the checkout page, when you try to fill out any banking other details, remember, don't do that mistake. Try to enter the CAPTCHA verification details that you see on the cash on delivery. You can, of course, make the payment via net banking or credit card or debit card or UPI. After completing this transaction on your orders page, you have enough time, till the product reaches your doorstep. You have enough time to fill out all these details. So don't make that mistake and lose the product, that you're trying to order. With the PlayStation 5, how the demand is. So many people are booking it, and they're trying to sell it for some extra money in the market. So make sure you are using the cash on delivery. That is the important second tip. And the third important tip is, if you see out of stock and if it's keep on refreshing, don't lose your hope. Even it is 5 minutes or 10 minutes, wait patiently on the same page. And it, normally the extension is designed in a way to not kind of brute force the website. So don't worry about it. Even it is 10 to 15 minutes, you can wait even up to 20 minutes from what I have experienced. Suddenly you will see that the address details and everything is filled out, and it will ask you to enter the payment method. So there you can quickly enter the CAPTCHA and click on complete. As I said before, if some people failed to complete the payment, or even I have a doubt like Flipkart itself could be adding some stocks, after few minutes to prevent this sort of, misuse of the flash sales, and to, give some chances for the people who are waiting, who have missed the exact timeline that they have set. And these are the two possible reasons, that we are seeing after 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we are seeing some stocks. So wait for it and don't change anything, don't refresh, don't do anything. Just let the plugin do the job, and when you see the stock, immediately enter the captcha and complete the transaction. When I tried to do the same steps at the captcha verification, I had to do it 3 times, because when I tried to enter it slowly, at the first time it immediately went to out of stock, and the page refreshed automatically. And the second time also the same happened, and the third time I was simply looking at the captcha verification page at that particular section, and then when it appeared, I immediately typed it and confirmed it. That's how I was able to order the PlayStation 5 at the first time itself. Almost 4 to 5 members were trying to book just one PlayStation 5, and none of them have succeeded, and I was able to secure one PlayStation 5, and it is sitting right next to me, and the experience is gorgeous. So we normally give some Apple products related tips, tutorials and stuffs, related to Apple, and this is kind of, from my own interest, I just wanted to share this video, these tips with you. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends, and if you were able to successfully get your PlayStation 5 in the next restock, don't forget to leave the happy news in the comment section below. Some other people will also find it useful. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and all the best.